Today is Wednesday, June 22nd, and in our devotional this morning, it says the heart of hospitality. Romans chapter 12, verse 13. Share with the Lord's people who are in need. Practice hospitality. 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 9. Be hospitable to one another without grumbling. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 2. Don't forget to show hospitality to strangers, for some who have done this have entertained angels without realizing it. 3 John chapter 1, verse 5. Dear friend, you are faithful in what you are doing for the brothers and sisters, even though they are strangers to you. Isaiah chapter 58, verse 7. Share your food with the hungry and give shelter to the homeless. Give clothes to those who need them, and do not hide from relatives who need your help. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 16. Do not neglect to do good and to share what you have, for such sacrifices are pleasing to God. Titus chapter 1, verse 8. Be hospitable, one who loves what is good, who is self-controlled, upright, holy, and disciplined. And at the bottom it says, hospitality is not to give someone a meal or to invite them to dinner. Hospitality is to open your heart to others. In Greek, it means to love the love of a stranger. When you invite an outsider into your home and treat them humbly as a guest, they may become a friend of God. During mealtimes, Jesus spoke about God's kingdom, and many people were converted. May you be kind to a stranger and perhaps make them a friend of God as well. And that's a good devotional this morning. We should be hospitable to others and try to help others as much as possible. And that's something that I would like to do. We do try to help as much as we possibly can. The needy, I don't know where you live, but they're here where I live out in the country, and I guess in the last 3-4 years, there has been a lot of homeless people, and which is really odd, because you would think they would stay more to the cities where they could walk everywhere, but there is a lot here in the country, and that just tells me that more people are struggling. More people need God. And a lot of people just refer to them as backpack people, because you'll see them walking up and down the roads with their backpacks and everything. You just, my heart goes out to them. It really does. It really does. And we do try to help when we can. I wish I could do more. I do. But reach out and help somebody today. If it's just one person, do it. A random act of kindness for someone today. My allergies are bad this morning. Sorry, guys. My nose is all stuffy. But do a random act of kindness for someone today. I challenge you all. Do a random act of kindness for somebody. whatever pops up during the day. I mean, whether it be paying for somebody's meal at a restaurant, or reaching out a loving hand to a homeless person, telling them about Jesus. Just something, whatever comes up in your day. I don't know how everyone's days go, so just whatever comes up during the day. If you work and you're going through a drive-through for your lunch or whatever, pay for the person's lunch behind you or something. Just do a random act of kindness for somebody today. And because that shows the love of God too. But that was a good devotional this morning, and I do know somebody who is always bringing people into their home, and it's a person in my family, and I used to not understand. I'm like, oh, why would you do that? You don't even know these people. Anything can happen, and praise God, nothing's ever happened, and they still do it. They still bring just random people if they need a place to stay. And I think about it now, and that's the way we should be. We should help people and not be concerned with what that person will do. God gives you discernment. You know who to bring in and who not to. But yeah, that devotional this morning made me think of them, because they're always bringing people into their home. Always. But I love you guys, and as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe, and join me on the Disciple server. The link is in the description. There I do 3 study groups a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and today being Wednesday. And today we are starting an exciting study on Jesus himself and his teachings, and what better person to learn from than Jesus himself, So I'm excited. Lord willing, we're going to start that today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So join us on there and join in the discussion. I know I've said this before, and I still feel it, that God don't give one person everything. He gives bits and pieces to everybody. So we need your puzzle piece. Join us on there so you can tell us the piece of the puzzle that we may be missing, that God has showed you, but not us. So join us. And I'd love to be able to talk to you all on a voice chat, converse. But I love you guys very much, and I don't want to take too much of your morning, but do a random act of kindness today for somebody, okay? Love you guys, and have a very blessed day. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. I love you guys. Bye.